الشباب بدهم ياخذوك على الدكان لتشتري
الله يجزيكم خير
لك وللبيت اشياء انت محتاجه لها.
We're here at the grocery store now. It's just a 5-minute walk away from the lady's house. We've arrived. We've asked her to go and pick what she wants. Something that took us back was she stopped us outside and she said, "What's my limit? What can I buy? What can I not buy?" We were shocked because we've never been asked this before. Our answer to her was, "Whatever you need for your home and for your children, you take. We'll cover the cost, inshallah." So she's in the background now. She's doing her shopping. It's a long time since she's been to the supermarket to do a shop, so we'll give her some privacy to get what she needs, and we'll catch up back at the house. So we've just arrived back from the supermarket. You could probably tell from how full the boot was. We weren't prepared for this case. We were actually supposed to be a moving hotel, but we managed to fit in the shopping and the people, and we've arrived now.
That's a wall piece.
You're probably wondering why it's so dark in here now. The family situation is so dire, they can't afford a generator to be able to have some sort of electricity, some sort of light, any power in the house. The reason we have got light is because there's an LED light attached to the camera. So, you know, it highlights just how dire the situation is in general in Lebanon. There's no electricity there. Whoever does have a generator can only power it for maybe 2 or 3 hours a night. And when they do have electricity, it's only a couple of hours. So it shows how difficult the situation is here.